Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Silvercrest digital air fryer, multi-purpose fry, grill, bake and cook. Hot air technology, healthy, delicious and fast. The combination of rapidly circulating hot air and grilling element ensures brilliant results. This type of cooking saves time and power, and it is particularly low fat. LED touch screen display with 8 preset programs. Fries without using added oil or fat, 80 to 200 Celsius, 0 to 60 minutes the timer, 2.3 liter max capacity, 1400 watt, 3 years of warranty. Stainless steel heating element with a fan and overheating protection. Quick start function. Chip basket is removable. We've got a non-stick coated iLag Corflon Ultra and it is suitable for dishwashers. You can do chips, fresh or frozen, chicken drumstick, bacon, steak, prawns, fish, vegetables, muffins, so many things that you can do. Definitely you will find the right recipe and materials to cook with this air fryer. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. Oh, black and glossy. And it is huge. Practical storage cable at the back. We've got about 1 meter of cable. Inlet for the air. Manual, of course, inside. If you want to use it, is your choice. But stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. Slide this switch and you can remove the container. Press this button and you can remove this mess. We've got a maximum capacity here. Insert your food and start cooking. All the liquids, they will go inside here. Nice and easy. And locks. Now let's plug it in. And there is the huge display. Now at the front we've got the on-off button and you can end the program. Press. We can see it's flashing the minutes. 18, it is the Celsius. You can press and at all time you can see the Celsius. And of course you can adjust the Celsius from 80 Celsius to 200. Every time it goes 5 Celsius up and down. And by pressing the time you can adjust how long you want, up and down. And with a menu button you can choose. We've got the chip, fresh or frozen. Next we've got the bacon. Next we've got the chicken drumstick. Next is the prawns, steak, muffins, vegetables and fish, of course. Now I will do a frozen chips. Remove the lid and inside you can insert the chip, frozen. And you can see, nice. Insert, turn on. We need the menu, the frozen chips. By default it is 180 Celsius 20 minutes. I will change the time on 10 minutes. It depends of course what kind of chips you've got. And then with a Celsius button you can adjust. I'll put it on 180 and start. And we can see we've got these graphics at the front. Nice. Now let's wait and we will see the results. And we can see it is near in the end. Let's check it. And at all time when I'm going to remove this lid, it will stop and then it will start automatically at the same position. And it stops automatically. Now let me check. Definitely already crystal and gold potatoes. Nice, I like it. And I don't see any liquids here. We are okay. Now I will test the chicken. And there's the chicken inside. Nice. We are at the max. Great. Lock. Turn on. Choose the menu. Chicken. It says 22 minutes on 180. I will change the time on 20 minutes. And of course you can choose N the Celsius as was N for the frozen chips. And just press the start button. And let the magic begin. And we've got 1 minute. Let's wait. And automatically stops. Now let's see. Ooh, nice. I think they are a little bit overcooked, but it's okay for me. Nice. Let's try it. See inside. Yep, it's cooked very well. Thumbs up, I like it. Let's try it. So crispy. I like that. Perfect. And you can see at the container how it looks. Now I will use the fish sticks. And let's try and with the fish. You can see how it looks inside. Turn on. From the menu, choose the fish. By default, this is 180 Celsius, 40 minutes. I think it is okay. And let's start. And we've got another 1 minute. Let's wait. Okay. Ooh, nice. And we can see inside. Nice. I can say it is very clean. Yep. Cook it everything very healthy with this digital air fryer. Well, let's taste it to see. Yep, cook it very well, no problem. Yummy. So healthy. And the potatoes. Don't ask me where's the chicken, I have just eaten it. I cannot hold myself, it was so tasty. Silvercrest digital air fryer. And even cleaning the container and the basket with a mess was very easy. You need the hot water, soft sponge and detergent. Apply a gently pressure and that was all. Well guys, that was all about. As you can see on my video, is doing a great job. It costs about 60 euros. Prepare your meal fast and easy and enjoy a healthy meal without a fat, without an oil. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button, and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.